Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm Lisa, and if you're over 50 and sick of being told to go start a side hustle that looks more like a full-time job, you're in the right place. After 30 years of working as a corporate office manager, I got replaced by the person I trained. I didn't quit. I didn't retire. I was cut loose. And honestly, it's the best thing that ever happened to me. I'd already started looking for something to do online before that day came. I knew I wanted out. I just didn't know how yet. I bought a program that taught me how to sell digital products. And while it worked, I knew I didn't want to have to chase sale after sale just to survive. Then I found this, a $40 business with a $10 membership. We call it the $10 a month club. And for the first time, I saw a model that made more sense. This isn't about pushing overpriced products or building a pyramid. It's a subscription-based business that pays you weekly for sharing the membership. And this is something people actually want, will use, and will save money. And yeah, I earned in my first week. And I've had other weeks that paid out too. Not every week yet, but enough to know it's working. And I've hit the point where residual income starts coming in monthly as well. If TikTok hadn't choked out my account, you'd have heard a lot more about it from me by now. I know a lot of people are jaded. You've been burned by the hype or told this is the one a dozen times already. If I'd have stayed stuck in that mindset and thought this was nothing but an old school MLM, I would have never looked at it. But this isn't that. It's different. And that difference is why I'm here, building this, sharing this, talking about it, showing you what's possible when you stop clinging to the past and what's actually working in 2025. Let's stop pretending we have time to waste. Hey, if you're ready to rethink everything you thought you knew about an online business, hit subscribe and stick around. We've got work to do and a lot of people to surprise. If you're curious and want more information, hit the link in my bio. You'll find a couple of videos and a link to secure your spot. But here's where the magic happens. You'll find an invite button to our private Facebook group. It's called Freedom Lifestyle Revolution and has over 78,000 members. It's invitation only, so when you request to join, remember to tell them Lisa's Road to Retirement invited you. Once you're in, head straight to the Guides tab. Pay particular attention to guide number 2, but you'll want to look at them all. And don't forget to check out the featured posts. When you're ready to join, just comment, "I want in." One of the admins will tag me and I'll get back to you and send you the link on how to get started. And hey, if you find out this is not your thing, just leave the group. No pressure, just options.